Hello, welcome to the Equal 6 test video. Today we're going to be testing this MP7 gas blowback just to make sure that, well, I think we've tested it at range. It's getting quite a lot of lifter on 3.2 ammo. Just if you get any problems, the 3.2 ammo is what we recommended, and like I say, the shot was good for that. But if you do find it's over hopping, you know, you're welcome to bring it back, and we'll ever so slightly bring that down. But obviously we do get a lot of requests for that extra lift on that heavier ammo, and that's the one we recommend. And it will go a stonking distance, which is pretty cool. To see from this little beast. So what else we've done? We obviously the Tightbore barrel, the Prometheus purple, Nineball purple hop rubber, and obviously we've just done that sort of flat mod, hop mod on the nub, just to basically convert it so it's a bit more compatible with a wide range of hop rubbers, whereas the original one is sort of more designed for the TM style. So it's obviously all installed, and it's just a quick demo just to demonstrate it working. There you go. So yeah, she's obviously working great, which is great to see. It's a lovely gun, and we hope you enjoy it. So thank you very much.